So for the following build, we are gonna need these pieces. If you don't have the same pieces as I, but you have similar pieces, try it out with those. And if you have the same pieces, I'm gonna show you, but different colors, that's okay. So here's the pieces. You need 2 red slope pieces that look like this. 2 2x2 flat pink pieces or smooth pink pieces. 4 curvy pieces like this. I don't know their name, they're just curvy. 4 1x2 pink pieces. 2 1x4 dark pink pieces, or you could use 1 2x4 dark pink piece. 2 white inverted slope pieces. 2 1x2 block pieces. You need 1 of these pieces. I don't know its name either. Sorry about that, guys. You're just gonna have to look for a piece like this. 2 1x2 flat pieces that are dark pink color. I don't know if you can see that. A ice cream cone piece. This is totally optional. All you need is a hole in the middle, so you could use any brick that has a hole in the middle. I'm just using this because I just am. And you need 5 2x8 pink pieces that look like these. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to build this. 2, 1, go. Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Lego heart good for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and birthdays. First you want a 2x2 pink flat piece and a red slope like this. Put it on there. And then get another 2x2 flat piece and another slope, and you're going to put it on like that. So it looks like this. Then you're going to get 2 curvy pieces like this. Here you go. They look like that. You're going to attach it there like that. And on the back. And of course, you're going to do it on the other side. So let's just get 2 more and stick them on there like that. Then get 2 1x2 pink pieces. Stick it onto there. That could be a little tricky, see? But you'll get it. Do it like that. And we're obviously repeating for the other side. So put on like there. So here's how it currently looks. Alright, like that. You're gonna get a 2x8 pink piece and push it on. So now we got them connected. Then you're gonna get a white piece with the studs on top. It's sort of like this piece. It's white, but the studs, instead of being here, they're gonna be on the bottom, so it curves in. And if you have the same pieces I have, I'm gonna show you in this video, but not the same color, that's okay, because I'm pretty sure your mother would still love it, or whoever you're giving this to. So then you need a 1x4 block. You will also get a 2x4. I'm gonna do 2 1x4s. Then you want a piece like this. You can find these in airplanes. Gonna get 2 1x2 blocks and a smooth, it doesn't have to be smooth, a smooth 1x2 block. It could be any color. I'm gonna just put that on right there. then you can see the heart shape. We're gonna get a round circle piece. You don't need a circle piece, but I'm gonna use it, but it has to have a hole in there. Let's do a little quick zoom in there, because you're gonna get a little mini ice cream cone piece. Push it on there, and then you're gonna stick it there. Then get 4 more 2 by 8 pieces, pink. Put on there. And then you got a heart. So yeah, that's how you make the heart. And before you click off the video, we have one more build, a bonus build to do. It's a chocolate box. So this one will be quick. Get a 4 by 6 piece. It doesn't have to be smooth like this. I'm just doing it there because I just want to. Okay, so over here, you're gonna put a 1 by 2 pink block. Same on the other side. Get a 1 by 2 red block. Same on the other side. A 1 by 2 dark pink block. Put it there. And a 1 by 6 piece over here. You're gonna wanna get a light brown, it looks like a bamboo piece, a dark one. Snap those to them. And then you want one more. This will be your chocolate. White chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate. Keep it in there. And then you want a 2 by 4 thin clear piece. And 2 more of those 2 by 4 thin clear pieces. Then you want a 1 by 6 smooth dark pink piece. And then we're done. You just need a 1 by 3 pink piece. It doesn't have to be studded. I just do studded for a nice texture. There's your chocolate box and your heart. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned to my channel. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.